welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. I'm Angel B. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, you guys, we are going to be playing around with some foils. So I did see this method on TikTok, and I decided to grab some foils to go ahead and give it a try. I did have gold and silver already, but I wanted to do this with a couple other colors. So like I said, I grabbed some foils off of Amazon. I will make sure I leave everything that I'm using in this video linked down in the description box below. But here's one here where I did green and gold, and then this is the one we will be doing in today's video, where I use pink, holographic, and silver. Now, the holographic is in the middle, and then the silver is on the end. You can't really see it because the holographic and the silver are so close in color. So I should have put the pink in the middle, but it's fine. Learn from my mistakes. Use your darker color in the middle if you're going with 3 colors, or you can just stick with the 2 colors like this. But this is going to be a kind of a quicker video, you guys. It's super easy, super simple to do this type of method. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Definitely stick around for this. Alright, so I have my vinyl cutout. I'm using a Gildan heavy cotton shirt here. And then this is what the adhesive looks like. It's kind of like foggy, kind of frosty looking. When we press it, it's going to look clear on the shirt. I have my heat press set to 305 for 25 seconds. And then I'm just going to take this and go ahead and line it up. This can be done with any like regular SVG file. So I'm going to go ahead and press this for the 25 seconds at 305 degrees. But again, this can be done with any kind of SVG file that you have. All you have to do is you would cut the adhesive, which let me grab it so I can show you. This is the adhesive roll. So you would just cut this like normal vinyl. I cut it on regular easy weed setting. You would cut it like normal vinyl, and then it's when you get to the foil part that's going to be a little bit different. Okay, so now as you can see, you can't really see it. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this. And it just kind of looks like you can see it on the shirt, but you can't really see it on the shirt. Not really. And it's sticky. So now these are the 3 vinyls that I'm going to use. And I got these rolls from Amazon. I will make sure I leave a link for everything down in the description box. So definitely make sure you are checking there first. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece and just kind of lay it. Measure it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it off the roll. And I'm going to kind of lay them diagonal, so it kind of has like that diagonal look to it. So I have the first piece here. And then I'm going to take the next color and do the same thing. We're going to take out enough to cover. And then you can lay them on top of each other, like the foils can touch each other. Okay? And then I'm going to take the 3rd color and lay it on the end. So we'll have 3 different colors. Now, when you are doing this, it's important to try to make sure that you layer this or you press it in one press. if you can. Foil, when you press it more than once, it starts to kind of look funky and distressed. I mean, unless that's the look that you are going for. If you are going for a more distressed look, then by all means. But, so this piece right here, I kind of messed up. So I'm going to cut this off. I scraped some of the metal off. But unless you are going for a distressed look, you want to try to make sure you do everything. You only press the foil one time. The more you press it, the more distressed it's going to look. So if you want like a clean, kind of crisp look to it, you only can press it one time. Okay? Then I'm going to go ahead and cover this. I'm going to bring my time down to 15 seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and press that same time, 305 degrees. I'm using the HTV Ron Auto Press 2, which does have the pressure that you can adjust, and it's at 170, and then I'm pressing it for 15 seconds. And then we're going to peel all 3 colors. It is a hot peel. Okay, then I'm just going to go ahead and remove the silver first because it's right on top. And you want to just kind of peel it like either in an upward or downward motion. And kind of at an angle. I should have put the pink in the middle. Aw, dang it. I should have put the pink in the middle to kind of offset it, but it's okay. And any extra little scragglies you have that didn't press, you can get it with the lint roller. But this is the final product. Let me go ahead and turn so you guys can see. I should have put the pink in the middle, you guys. Hopefully you can see it. I wish I would have put the pink in the middle. I wasn't even thinking. So I have the holographic in the middle, and then it was regular silver on the outside. I should have put the pink in the middle to kind of offset the holographic and the silver, but it's okay. The shirt is for me, so it's fine. But you kind of see where I was going with that. So the pink being in the middle really would have kind of set it off, but as you can see, layering it kind of like with the diagonal effect really did kind of go ahead and give it just like, you know, some fun little, I don't know, it's just a fun little funky way to kind of play around with some foils. If you have this file of mine, what I did, because this is a file I sell, an SVG file, what I did was I deleted the outline. So if you have this SVG, it does come with an outline. You can keep the outline if you want to, but because I wasn't layering or anything like that, what I did was before I went to go and press make or go send to cutter or whatever the case may be, I just skipped the outline part. I just ungrouped it, deleted the outline, and then welded everything together. And that's how I got this. Okay? Excuse me. Uh-oh, my voice is cracking. Alright guys, this was just a quick little video to kind of show you how you can play around with some foils. Again, I will make sure I leave everything linked down in the description box. These foils came from Amazon, and they came with a whole bunch of colors. Okay? So I'm going to leave this link down in the description box below, you guys. But thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time. Bye.